Hi my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. Our channel offers information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And you are in luck today because today we're going to talk about how we organize and how we store our nail supplies, like your nail polish, your file, those kind of things. So I think that's really important. If it's something that you like, stay tuned. And if you see one little thing that inspires you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hey, it is people like you that are on the How To Lady team. Team Lady How To. Anyway, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hey my YouTube friends, as promised in the introduction, we are going to show you how we organize and store our nail product. You'll need storage bins or trays based on the items that you will be storing. So I have about 3 here, but these 3 are going to house these items. So you need your items like your fingernail clippers. If you do a lot of nail art, you need those things, your brushes and your files. And of course, your want to make sure that you have your nail polish. And then all of these things are going to be housed inside of another basket that will then be placed under my bathroom cabinet. So I'm going to start storing and I will let you see what I'm doing. Questions, comments, concerns, please post them below. As you can see, everything is neatly stored in this larger container. So I broke it down to 3 smaller containers that are, 2 of them are housing my nail colors as well as the files, and the other one is housing my tools like clippers and the acetone, as well as my other tools that I use, brushes, things like that. So this will go under my bathroom cabinet. So my YouTube friends, here is where my items are stored. So I have this container under my bathroom cabinet and I just label each of them, and this is where I store all of my nail supplies as well as other things. And we'll do an under the cabinet tour, but for right now, this is where I am storing everything. So I'm gonna move this because it looks like it's not gonna fit for me to close the drawer so it fits snugly right there, all snug. So now we're ready to close the drawer. And there we are. Isn't that neat? Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, even suggestions.